Hello! In this video we'll continue our test, giving the same UI and the same prompt to several tools and ranking the results in terms of looks, functionality and code quality. This test will be valuable for you if you are a software engineer who wants to turn design into code. If you missed the first part, I'll put a link in the description. Let's get back to work. In the first part we saw ChatGPT plus image, and we gave it 3.5 in looks, 4 in functionality, and 4 in code quality. Not bad for the first competitor. In this video we'll see Claude 3.7 plus image and Uizard plus image. Now we want to test Claude 3.7 plus image. Here we're using claude.ai/new. This is the Claude website. Here I've already pasted the prompt that we created in the last video and attach the image of our application, the task app with the list of tasks, where it is all here. Now let's run it. So we have the results. On the left you can see the chat and the conversation. After it is completed, the code generating, it summarized what he understood. He created a React component and understood all the process and what he is going to display. On the right, we also have the option of showing the project, showing how the component looks, and we have this bar that allows us to see the code itself. I think in general it looks very nice. It is also recognized our menu item. We have the search bar, the filter, the display options, the table. It is already created these examples, and it is generated colors for priority that I didn't ask for, but it looks very nice. Now let's try to check the functionality. Let's try the filter here, project 1, very nice. Let's do low. It didn't recognize the low. On the high it recognized, which is very nice. So it seems to work, the filter. And now let's do the search. Let's search for publish. Looks that it is working as well. In terms of display, I didn't give any functionality requirements, but it created the display options. Let's compare it to our original UI. Here on the left you can see the original UI. We can see the menu item is kind of the same, and the search and the filter had some space over here, and here we don't see it, but maybe in just one prompt it can be fixed. And the task title, project, priority, date and owner, all of these are there. We also have the 3 dots right here, so it's very nice. In general, both the functionality and the looks very nice. Let's give looks 4.5 because it missed this space, and the functionality I'm giving it 5 because all that he could generate he already did. If we want some more and to explain to him what this means, maybe we can do it in the next prompt. Regarding code quality, let's see the code here. First of all, the code looks very clean. It's very nice. The code looks clean and readable, and from what I see, I think if I was reviewing this code, it was kinda good, and I will give it 4.5. Let's try to see it on mobile, just to see if we took it into consideration. No, we can see the chat. No, we didn't create something for mobile. This is another thing that we need to address maybe in the next video. Before we continue to present Uizard, let me present our channel. We are Software Engineer Meets AI, and our mission is to help developers understand and apply AI with clear explanations and hands-on examples. But seriously, if you are here, maybe subscribe for more content like this, and if not, liking this video will be great and help us to reach more developers like you. Let's continue with Uizard. So this is Uizard. We can see here that it has a lot of functionalities. This is their homepage. The basic functionalities that they want to support is creating application or website via one prompt. We also have more products like UX design, UI design, wireframing, mockups, and so on. We're not going to dive into these. We just want to test the Uizard with our need, giving a prompt and an image and see how it is created. In our case, this is where we can use it. I've created a new project, and here at the bottom I have an AI chat that I can chat with. Here we have the Auto Designer 1.5 and the same for version 2.0. I'm using the free version right now, so I'm going to go with 1.5. Let me create a new chat. I want to, let's say, generate screens. How would I pick? There I can see that there are some more options. Type a description and upload a screenshot. I want it to be a desktop. Let me upload it. Great, I'm uploading the same UI. And it didn't ask for the prompt. We had two options, or to choose the image that you want to upload, or to write a description. I felt that using the image will be the best solution for us because we have a design. But let's see what we get. Okay, that's nice. This is the result that we received. Here we have the menu bar, we have the search, we have the filter, we have the project. It looks like most of the functionality, even the space right here, it is recognized, and we can see it over there. It didn't make the application, it just created the UI, so that's nice. If I want to generate this, let's see how I can make it. So I tried to play it with Uizard, and I tried to generate the code from this image, but I didn't see any option to convert this into code. What I can see here is that I have the magic button that allows me to generate screen, then generate single screen and UI from a text prompt. So let's try to use this one. Again, it asks me to choose between mobile, tablet, and desktop. I'll go with desktop. Now I'm going to paste my one second. I'm going to paste my prompt, and let's see where it gets me. Maybe I'll try use the new screen you've created as a design. Let's see if it's going to work. This is the results. It is created a new application. It didn't took any of the image that I already generated. So in our case, I think we didn't receive any working app. It just took the image and converted it into UI, which is very nice, and it done a very nice job. But we don't have the code right here, so in terms of looks, functionality, and code quality, I'm not going to give it any score because it didn't do the task or the goal of this video. This is our second part, and tell me what you think about it in the comments. Of course, subscribe if you want to be notified about our last video that we are going to deal with MCP, with the Figma MCP. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video.